We are going to do a variation of a standing tree pose just to get some strength and flexibility. So inhale in mountain pose, try to find your best alignment. As we exhale, we lift our arms to warrior two. Inhale, adding on. As we exhale, we press into the standing leg, lift the one heel, rotate out, and raise again. Inhale back to center. As we exhale, we lift, we rotate, try to balance, and lift up. Inhale, reset. As we exhale, warrior two, lift the heel, rotate, lift, flex, extend the leg out and hold. Inhale, reset. One more variation. Exhale, raise the arm up, lift. We're going to twist, lift up. Inhale, reset. Exhale, lift the heel, rotate, lift, and extend across. Inhale, reset.